So what we're going to do today is install Cortana on our Dell Inspiron 15-3000. I'm going to show you how to do that. One of the ways that by which you can look for Cortana is you just come here to search and then you just write Cortana. The other thing you can do is you come here to apps and you look for Cortana, and this is Cortana. So you click on it and then you're asked to sign in. You can sign in using any Hotmail or Microsoft account that you have. Click continue. Let Cortana help you get things done. To do this, Cortana needs access to some of your personal information. Accept and continue. Stay on track. Remind me to update. Plan ahead what's on my next calendar. So these are some voice orders. Let's install the new version to see if there have been any changes. To ask Cortana a question, you either type a question or you just come here and click on the Speak to Cortana microphone icon. Now let's give Cortana some instructions, see how precise the answers can be. What time is it in Seattle right now?
It's 8:22 p.m. in Seattle.
What time is it in Miami right now?
It's 11:23 p.m. in Miami.
How do you say how are you in Spanish?
How are you in Spanish is ¿Cómo estás?
You can see some of the instructions I gave were in English. Let's try and see if it will give me answers in Spanish. ¿Qué hora es ahorita en Seattle?
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that yet.
¿Qué hora es ahora en Miami?
Sorry, I'm not able to help with this one yet.
¿Cómo se dice cómo estás en inglés?
I'm sorry, but I can't help with that yet.
So in short, Cortana will only work with English, no Spanish. You can't use any other language. I've been trying Spanish and it won't just come up. Basically, what you can do with Cortana is find general information about places, about time, etc. Basically, if it's not English, if it's not 100% English, Cortana is not going to give you like 100% response. All the instructions that you're going to give Cortana has to be in English, no Spanish. Cortana, open the Instagram app.
All right. I'll open Instagram.
Cortana, open Facebook app.
Okay. I'll open Facebook.
Cortana, close the movie and TV app.
Sorry, I can't close applications here.
Cortana, open the Wondershare app.
All right. I'll open Wondershare Filmora.
Basically, Cortana is going to open any app that you have on your computer, but it's not going to close it. It can't close it. So I just tried Cortana, but using or clicking directly on the microphone icon. What I'm going to try and do right now is activate voice. I'm going to try and get the voice activation on. So you just come here to just 3 points up here and go to settings. This device, microphone, to use voice assistant, you need to allow my Cortana to access your microphone or require permission to turn on. But what we want is voice activation. I don't want any interaction of any kind before Cortana can say anything. So let's go here, voice activation. You see, you haven't turned on all required permission. To activate voice, all you have to do is just use the word Cortana and that will wake up Cortana. As of now, you haven't turned on all required permissions. Open voice activation privacy settings. So this is privacy and security voice activation. You have Cortana right here and it's off. We're gonna activate it. The two important things are this one, let apps access voice activation services. It's on and Cortana is also on. Let's go back to Cortana. You can see that voice activation is on. So let's go back. We are on the Cortana screen right now and we've activated voice. I don't really have to click on anything right now. I don't have to write anything. I just have to call the name and that's it. Cortana, open the Instagram app.
Okay. I'll open Instagram.
The good thing is that I don't have to click on microphone to be able to speak to Cortana now. I'm gonna try and do something else here. I'm gonna minimize the application and then give Cortana information. Just always remember that you have to speak out as loud as possible. Cortana, open Facebook.
Okay. I'll open Facebook.
So you can see that Cortana, as long as it's voice activated, you can leave it way down there. You can minimize it and it's gonna respond